Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to set multiple timers on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is open up your clock app. Then you want to select the timers here in the bottom right hand corner. Now to set multiple timers you want to label each one. So you want to press into the label here, and then let's say you want to set a timer for a run. And we want to do 14 minutes. So you can start that by pressing start. Now to add another timer, you can press this plus here in the top corner, press into the label to name it. You can have some presets here if you wish, or you can have it at the top here as before. So let's just say 1 hour preset, then that'll start timing down. And you can press plus and keep adding multiple timers. If you want to stop the timer, you press this little stop icon here and it'll stop it, and you can press it to start it up again. So that's how to set multiple timers on your iPhone or iPad. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.